Hello students, welcome once again, and today we are going to learn a very different and a very new thing in HTML. That is, we are going to make a mini Kindle edition. Alright, so that's what we will do. So let us begin, let us go ahead and start off with this. So what is the first thing which I'll do over here is I'm going to add the title, and the title is audio book, and I'm going to close the title. Okay, so this is what we will be making it today. And basically what exactly I want to start off with is the children audio book, and you can say it's like the Kindle mini edition. So what will I do? I'm going to put H1, and here I'm going to write, say, children audio book, H1, and the next heading I'm going to put over here is Kindle mini edition. Okay, so this is what it is. Plus, what is the next thing which I will do is I'm going to add the body, which is already over there. Now in the body, what will I do is I'm going to start putting the first heading. So let me put it like this. I will say English, and that's how it looks. Okay, so in the English one, we are going to start with a divs class. So I'll write div, then I'm going to write here, say, class quotes. I'm going to write it like this, and then I'm going to close this, right? Once I have done this, the next part I'm going to write here is div, and I'm going to make the class again, and then this time I'm going to use the column. All right, so that's what I will do, right? Plus what I have to do is I'm going to close this as well, correct? So one div I'm going to close here, okay, and another div here. All right, okay, so now once you've done this, we'll make 3 such columns. So other one, you're going to write it the same way, that is div, then you're going to give the class equal to, say, column, okay, and then you're going to close that tag. All right, okay, now same way you will do it for the third time as well. So what you can do is you can just copy this and paste it like this. Okay, now let us do one thing. Let us first make the pictures, or you can say that what exactly are we trying to do over here. So the first thing which we will do over here is we are going to add the image src equal to, and then I have the image, whatever image I'm going to use it over here. All right, plus I'm going to add the alt and give the alt name as whatever you can say is, say, stay, or whatever name you want to give. All right, then I'm going to start using the style, and the style I will be using is like I can say is width, and this width I'm going to use it as 100%. Okay, so that's what I will do. So now the first thing what I need is the image. So first I will need to add the images. So all the images I'm going to upload it from here, and maybe my first image will be okay. So this is my first image which I'm going to put it over here. Yes, so see, if you observe here, you will get this image here, rhymes.jpg. So that's what I will be putting it here. I'll write here rhymes.jpg. And what is the next thing? I'm going to close this. So see, this is one. All right, this I have done. Now same way, I'm going to upload another image. Say I'm going to upload the image of after rhymes we have, the next thing is as story. Okay, I'm going to go here, upload, and the third one which I'm going to use it is hymns. Okay, so both the images you will find it over here. See, story and hymns. So what will I do? I'm going to copy this text. I'm going to go here and place it here, and instead of rhymes, what will I do? I'm going to put here, say story. Okay, story.jpg, you can see it over here. And the third line, the same way I will do it, and here I'm going to use, say, hymns. All right, so that's what I will be doing it over here. See, all three images are uploaded like this. All right, so this is one thing. Now once you've done this, we'll do some styling for it, because if you observe, these three things are coming one below the other. So I want to make it horizontally. So let me start off, let me begin with this. So what is the first thing which I will do? I'll start off with H1. Here I'm going to put the style, and in the style I'm going to put the text align, and the text align has to be in the center. So that is one thing which I have to do. Okay, then the next part here also I'm going to do the same thing, that is style. Okay. Text align, I'm going to put the style as center, and then after this I'm going to use the semicolon, and I'm going to use the color as red. So you can see the color is red, right? And one more thing which I'm going to do over here is I'm going to make it into italics. All right, so that's the one more thing which I'm going to do it over here. So if you see here, it is Kindle mini edition. Okay, now this styling I have done in the heading, but what about these? Okay, so when you have to do this, what is the next thing which you will do? You will come here and you will write here, say style, and you're going to close the style. Okay, now in the styling thing, the first thing which we will be using over here is star, and then this thing. And in this, what I will do is I am going to write here, say box sizing. I am going to use as border box, and colon. Okay, that is one thing which I will do. Okay, so that's my styling. I want to use a border box style. Plus, what is the next thing which I want to do is, see here I've used class as column, right? So what will I do? I will use dot, and I'm going to use column, and the same thing over here. And in the column, what will I do is, I'm going to write here, say float, and maybe I'll put it as left, semicolon. The next part I'm going to put is the width, okay? And the width has to be, say, 33.33%. Okay, can you see this? Now they are aligned in the horizontal style, okay? And the next part which I will be using is, say, padding. And in the padding, I am going to use, say, 5 pixels. That's what I need. Okay, so I think this looks nice. Now, same way, if you observe here, this is row. So row is also a class. So the same thing I'm going to do over here also, row. And then see, I've used double colon, all right? And then I'm going to use after. And in this, what will I do is, I'm going to open this, okay? And in this, I can write, okay, so let me put here content, and the content is like double quotes and semicolon. The next line I'm going to write is, say, clear, and I'm going to use both. So this is styling. Now you can do it as the way, or the way you want to be. So it's like that. So display, I'm going to use it in the table format. So this is how it is. All right. So this is my styling which I have done over here. And now see, it looks better. Now, same thing this way. You've written English, now uploading the images for Hindi as well. So I will quickly do that as well. So I will put, say, Kavita. That is one thing. Okay. Then I have Kahani. Kavita, Kahani, and Pratna. Okay, so these are done. Now exactly the same way I'm going to go over here. What will I do? I'm going to put the HR tag. Once I have done this, what will I do? I'm going to copy the full thing. See, I'm going to go here and I'm going to copy. See, if you observe, all things are here. Now instead of rhymes, here I'm taking it, I'm making it for Hindi. So what will I do? I'm going to write here, say, Kavita. So that is one thing. Here I'm going to make it as Kahani. Okay. All right. And the third thing which I'm going to make it over here is prayers. तो ये आ गया प्रार्थना. Okay. Plus one more thing which I wanted to add over here is this heading, right? So I will go here. I'm going to add this, and instead of English, I'm going to make it, say, Hindi. Okay. So I think this looks nice. Okay. Once it is done, once you have finished this, what we'll do is we'll start adding the list here. Okay. So what all, it's an audio book, right? So first I will give what all rhymes I need, what all things I need. All right. So I will make here, say, bunny rabbit. You can put here, say, hot cross buns. Okay. Now same thing. See here, all the three list is displayed over here. Now same thing. You will go here and after this width you can go and copy it over here, and instead of 3 I'm just going to make 2 stories. Okay, so here the story is about the dog and the bone, and maybe here I'm going to write the thirsty crow. Okay, so see, these two are added over here. Now same way you will go here and add, I'll remove the last one. Okay, so here I am going to write here as sunflower, and maybe here I'm going to use as faithful friend. Okay, so if you observe here, it is like this. See, bunny, rabbit, baba, black sheep, and all these things, right? Now, similar fashion, we'll do it for Hindi as well. So for Hindi, I can write the first poem as Patang. Then you have, after Patang, you have the Sadak. Okay, I'll write Sadak. And the next one, I'm going to use it as Savera. So if you observe here, see, these 3 are added. Okay, then again the 3 things, I'll remove the last one, and here I can add शेर और चूहे की कहानी. That is one thing. And the second one I can say बिल्ली और बंदर की कहानी. Okay, and the last one I'm going to add over here is like this. I'm so sorry, I will remove this. Okay, okay, so here I'm going to write as हाथ जोड़ कर, and here I'm going to add as हमको मन की शक्ति देना. All right, so now I'll just rename the project. Yeah, I'm going to save it and I'm going to share it with you all. So see this. See, it looks like this: children's audiobook, Kindle mini edition, English. You have rhyme, story time, hymns, and then you have Hindi. If you observe here, it is Kavita, Kahani, and Pratna. Okay. Now, the next part which comes over here is adding the audio to it. All right. So how do we go about it? I mean, how can we do that also? Okay. So what is the next thing which I will do over here is, say I have the first one, and what will I do? First, I will add the MP3. All right. So what will I do is go here, add images. I will go to uploads. I'll go to downloads, and I'm going to write here, see, bunny rabbit MP3. Here I'm going to go here. All right. So this is uploaded successfully. You can see it over here. See, here it is, bunny rabbit. Now what will I do is, I'm going to go here in the bunny li. All right. Now here I will add my audio file like this, and after this audio I'm going to close my audio. Okay, now in this what will I do is, I will put a controls. Okay, so that's what I will write. See, audio controls. Can you see this? It is here. Okay, now in the audio control, how will I do the next part? I'm going to write here, say source. This is the source. Okay. Then src, which is like this. Here it is bunny rabbit mp3. Then you're going to give the type. See, it's coming everything as automatically, right? What is the type here? I'm going to write audio, and then I'm going to write mpeg, and then I'm going to close it like this. Okay. Okay. So let's.
Hello, Mr. Bunny. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. Will you have some tea? No, no, thank you. Not for me. I like to eat carrots. I don't like tea.
Okay. So see, the audio has come, and how it's going to look. I'm just going to show it to you. See, like this it came. Now same way we will put the audio for all of them. So what will I do? I don't have to do anything. I just have to go here, copy, and what will I do? I'm going to go and paste. That's it. The only thing which you have to do is you have to change this. That is, instead of bunny rabbit, now what is the next thing? Baba black sheep. So again, I'm going to go here. I'm going to add, upload the file. I'll go here and I will write here, say Baba black sheep and so on, right? So that's what I now same way in the similar fashion. See, everywhere I've added, and here it is Baba black sheep, bunny rabbit, hot cross bun. So all of them have the audio links. So my mini edition or mini Kindle edition is ready. So let's see this, how it looks. Okay, before this, I wanted to do one more thing. Like, let's add some background also. I mean, the background color. So what will I do? I'll go to body and I'll quickly paste it over here. So this will look better. Okay. Now let me share and show it to you how it looks. The final audiobook. So this is my audiobook, the children audiobook, the mini Kindle edition of it. So let's hear the rhymes. So first is Baba Black Sheep.
Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay. And I have the hot cross buns.
Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughter, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
Okay, so these are the rhymes. Then you have the story. Once upon a time, there lived a stray dog in a small town. One day, okay, so you have the story as well. Now, same way, you have the hymns. It's like that. I just keep trusting my Lord as I walk along. I just keep trusting my Lord as He gives me a song. Though the storm clouds darken the sky over the heavenly trail, I just keep trusting my Lord. He will never fail. He's a faithful friend. He's a faithful friend. Such a faithful friend. Such a faithful friend. I can count on him. I can count on him to the very end. To the very end. Okay. So hymns are working fine. Now let's go and see the Hindi version. So in the Hindi also you have all these. And let's play the kavita.
पतंग सर सर उड़ी पतंग, चिड़िया हुई देखकर तंग, बिना पूछ के मूर्ति कैसे, बिना पंख के उड़ती कैसे, चोंच बनाई कैसे खाती, बेचारी कुछ बोल न पाती। सड़क सड़क बनी है लंबी चौड़ी, इस पे जाती मोटर दौड़ी, हम सब अच्छी पर्ची पर जाओ, बीच सड़क पर कभी ना आओगे तो दब जाओगे, चोट लगेगी पछताओगे। सवेरा सूरज इतना मिटा अंधेरा, देखो बच्चों हुआ सवेरा, आया नीति हवा का फेरा, चिड़ियों ने फिर छोड़ा बसेरा, जागो बच्चों अमृत सो, इतना सुंदर समय ना।
Okay, so this looks a perfect Kindle website or web page, you can say. I hope you've liked my creation. I've put the link in the description box so that you can see my video. You can upload this video, and please, please, please do comment and tell me how did you like my creation? Did you enjoy this Kindle mini edition? So thank you so much. That's all for the day, and bye.